Meet Steve. Steve's been working as a cashier for a few years, and he's ready to move up to a more experienced position at a well-known retail chain. But there's just one problem. He hasn't received a callback since applying to this well-known retail chain. It seems like he could use a hand. Let's take a closer look at his resume. Steve has skipped the resume intro, maybe because he found so many mixed opinions online and didn't think it was necessary, so he just didn't bother to write one. In reality, a resume intro is the first thing employers are going to see. For anyone applying for the same position, this is their first chance to say, "Hey, I'm awesome, and you should keep reading." So, Steve looked up some tutorials on how to write a resume introduction, and this is what he came up with. In this intro, Steve highlighted his soft skills, showing he's a reliable and efficient cashier who can handle pressure, and these are the hard skills he included to show he's met the requirements. Now, Steve and I are happy with the introduction, but we're not quite done yet. Like a lot of people, Steve thought listing his job duties was enough, but here's the thing. Everyone who's worked as a cashier will very likely have the same basic responsibilities. Operate POS cash register? That doesn't really tell the employer anything. Steve thought back and noted down all the details and achievements that he could remember. After organizing his numbers, Steve turned his bullet point into something more impactful. Operate POS cash register, handling 92 transactions on average daily, and verify money counts in cash drawers. By adding hard numbers and a few more details, Steve has now given the employer a clearer picture of his abilities. Now, Steve has a cashier resume that truly reflects his skills and experience. Before sending it out to every single job opening, there's one last thing to do: tailor the resume. Here's what I mean by that. Go over the job description and find the skills and responsibilities they are looking for. One of the duties is greets guests politely and enthusiastically as they enter the store. Steve wanted to make sure the employer knew that he had the right skills for the part. So he updated one of his bullet points to greeted 100 plus guests daily and introduced special offers to enhance their shopping experience. This not only checks the box, but also shows the scale of the retail store he worked at. These keywords can also be used in the skills section and resume intro. Avoid making the same mistakes and follow these tips, and your resume will stand out just like Steve's new cashier resume. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more career-related tips. Thanks for watching.